Close your eyes. Take one slow breath in. Hold it for a moment. And exhale out through your mouth with a sigh. I want you to think for a moment about everything you've been through. Not the highlights, not the victories, the hard parts. The moments you weren't sure you could keep going. The times you were exhausted or lost or quietly falling apart in ways no one else could see. And I want you to notice something. You are here. You kept going through all of it. You kept going. That is not a small thing. That is not something to rush past on your way to the next goal or the next challenge. The version of you that showed up when it was hard, that version deserves to be seen. Place one or both hands on your heart and take a breath in. As you silently say to yourself, I honor the version of me that kept going when it would have been so much easier to stop. Exhale out. Inhale in and continue, saying to yourself, I see how far I've come. I am proud of who I had to become to get here. And exhale out. You didn't arrive here by accident. You built yourself quietly through every hard day. That is worth pausing for. I'm sending you so much love.
The Sherwin-Williams Summer Sale is here. Get 30% off select paints and stains or 35% off our newest product, Emerald Symmetry, July 17th through the 27th. Whether you're refreshing your interior or exterior, we've got the colors to bring your vision to life. And with delivery, getting everything to your door is easier than ever. Shop online to have it delivered or visit your neighborhood Sherwin-Williams store. Click the banner to learn more. Retail sales only. Some exclusions apply. See store for details. Delivery available on qualifying orders.